friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to just come on and face to face and say hello. I'm still here, just been quite busy with orders and coming up with new designs and everything, and I'm very thankful for your love and support. So in today's video, what I want to do is I want to show you some card making ideas using dies, papers, and stamps from Kokorosa Studio. And so last month, and I will try to remember to link you to that video, I did a excuse me, haul video for Kokorosa, in which they sent me quite a few items. Like, for example, we have some really pretty set of dies, and yes, they are falling, and I'm sorry if you can't hear me, but we have these, and oh my gosh, I just love these. You know that I was going to go ahead and choose something that is more of like my style and so forth. We have, why is everything falling over here? Maybe I have it on the wrong side. Let me see, hang on. Yep, of course I had it on the wrong side. And so anyways, let me go ahead and stick them up here for you. So these are some really cute die sets, and valued price from Kokorosa. And so yeah, I will go ahead and leave you with my affiliate links to Kokorosa in the description area of this video. I really like their designs, and they cut very well. Now the designs I cut in, you'll see the paper in a little bit, in that glitter paper, so I don't know how it embosses, because as you know, it's kind of difficult to emboss through glitter paper. I guess I should have done a sample, but I didn't think about that. And let's see, more items from Kokorosa Studio is the set of stamps. Now the stamps that I used are the cinnamon stamps, but the larger ones, and to be honest with you, these are super tiny, and I guess these could be used like in journaling or something like that, but you know, I'm like, I'm going to have eye surgery pretty soon because I can't see very well. And so, yeah, something like this, for me, it's not usable. So, Kokorosa, if you're listening, please try and make your stamps bigger, but they don't need to be that huge. Okay, just, I'm putting my 2 cents out there. And so, another thing that they said that I chose were the paper pads. Excuse me. Excuse me. And so this bee paper pad is one of them. And what I liked about this paper pad was the variety and the color. But I will tell you something, they look a lot brighter on the website than what you actually get. So just to do a quick run through. Okay, the colors look a lot more vibrant, I should say, less muted. Okay, so that's something that you need to take whatchamacallit, I can't speak today, in consideration when ordering your papers from this website. You know, and it's not just them. A lot of websites, you know, the color is not, may seem a little bit different than what you get. And so it's just a matter of how it comes on the video, I guess. I don't know, HD, 4K, whatever. So here we go, and just a quick flip through. Now, this was really cute, except that for my tastes, I thought this was going to be something more of like into the shabby chic, bright and colorful pastels, but the pastels are not vibrant, and in my opinion, they these papers lean more towards the junk journal. You know, if you like it a little bit of that, for lack of a better word, grungy. Okay, but not really, you know, maybe one of you can come up with a better word for that. So, yeah, these 2 paper collections, and so Now let me show you what I made with everything. So the first card and these were so simple to make, you guys. You know, it's a matter of snip, 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 glue. This is the first card that I made, and that is using the this collection right here, and this set of dies over here, and of course a flat back pearl right there in the middle to accentuate the design. And another card that I made is again with the same designs and the same dies, and of course a flat back pearl, and of course the stamp from this set of stamps. So we have that one, and we have another card that I made. Here we go. Excuse me. And then I moved on to this one. In this, you also get those letters that say love, and it's so pretty. This is the design that it comes in, see, and it's so pretty. And so I went ahead and used that other paper pad, and here is a card, and here is another card, and see these right here? These were like, oh, they came out of this one. See that die right there? Okay, these pop out. So, excuse me. I thought that was a good idea. Okay. Pictures at the end. I gotta go. Thank you.